in Italy, it's completely reasonable to eat biscuits for breakfast. So let's try these. Like a rich tea biscuit. They're very Moorish. Today, west, obviously, along the coast, just as far as I can. Try and find somewhere, maybe a beach to camp, if the coast isn't too densely populated. It's pretty flat. There's no wind. Looks like a nice day ahead. Last night's repair job looks okay. I've obviously been overfilling my panniers. I've got plenty of stuff to send home with the family visits coming up. Memories of gardening.
Terme, vignatore, balcone, oliveri.
Ok, grazie mille. Oggi no.
Barcellona.
Ok, va bene.
Fiumarella.
Fiumarella. Grazie mille.
Ciao.
Buona giornata.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao. Those guys have rescued me from some sort of road closure. It means a big diversion. I'm not completely sure which road I'm supposed to be aiming at. What was it? Fiumarella? Let's see. 2 hours later and I'm still very much in view of the promontory there, and it looks like I'm about to start climbing up away from the coast here. There goes the motorway underneath the headland I'm currently climbing over. Got a tiny bit of shelter until I round this next headland. It suddenly got very windy from the west, which is where I'm going. So I don't really know if I'm looking for some lunch or looking for a campsite. I suppose I'm looking for whatever shows up. acutely aware of all the sounds coming from my bike at the moment. The new belt makes a very pleasant hum. My spokes, which now in the new pattern no longer touch, make a pleasant ping, and every time I pass a piece of long grass and I get a twang, my heart stops because I think something's broken. But I've also noticed a sort of clanking coming from the pedals, and I guess it's because there's quite a lot of movement there. That's no good, is it? This one too. Andrea didn't highlight it as a problem, but maybe I should see about tightening them up before one of them falls off. No. It's my lucky day. They've just reopened 2 minutes ago from their 3.5-hour lunch break. Okay, fill up with water, then it's time to find somewhere to camp. Nice. Just looking for a spot that's out of the wind, not visible from the couple of houses over there. But I reckon found it. Loads of fruit, including kumquats. No, absolutely not. Dude, you're not welcome. Got some fancier cheese. It's called pecorino, I think. Definitely a stronger taste. Tomato smells really good. Sicily is famous for pistachio, so I got some pistachio chocolate, which almost certainly wasn't made in Sicily. Try some new bread, and the last of my Salento wine. Cheers!